and welcome to Backyard Phenology. I'm Trevor Bloom in my backyard here in Jackson Hole, Wyoming during the quarantine 2020. But, there's a lot of beautiful nature right here in our backyards. So the aspen tree, it's a very common tree in the Rocky Mountains. It's awesome. It's got this white bark. Some people laugh. You can tell it's aspen by the way it is. White bark, really defined oval leaves. The bark is white because actually underneath that white, if you rub it, you get a white on your hand, and that's actually a natural sunscreen. And then after that is a green color, because these trees, even in winter, photosynthesize with chlorophyll in their bark. But what we're more interested in right now is the seasonal timing of events, or phenology. And so you can see that the trees here are actually flowering. And they flower before they produce leaves. And then they start to produce leaves and they'll start to fruit, which actually looks like a white snow. It's like a cottonwood. If you're familiar with a cottonwood tree, they're both in the same family, the poplar family. So this is Populus tremuloides, or the trembling poplar, trembling aspen tree. Another neat thing about aspen tree, they're the world's largest living organism. So they grow via an underground root structure. It's actually an underground stem structure, technically, in their rhizomes. It's rhizominous, and the largest organism in the world is a group of aspen trees in Utah, in the Colorado Plateau, and it's called Pando. So, pretty neat. They're all interconnected, and so if you just plant one, you'll get many up. But I'm encouraging each of you guys to get outside, find an aspen tree in your neighborhood, mark that location with a GPS, or later find it on Google Maps, and we're going to add that to the Nature's Notebook application, and that's going to become your study site. So we're going to create a study site right in your neighborhood where you can find aspen trees, and if you find other species like dandelions or balsam root, we can also add those to that site. So this is an opportunity for you to find a site and then monitor that over time and see how it changes and get in touch with nature. It's going to be interesting to see how different sites are in different phases. I'm on a north-facing slope in Snow King. My flowers might not be as far along as someone that's in the banana belt of Jackson, like down in Rafter J. So we're going to be able to compare sites and also get to know this species a lot better.